Everybody, thing is that you have given the test today?
Yes, sir.
Good. How was the test?
Nice.
Good, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Dear student, I am telling you that this is the, I think, test number 3.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct. तो बेसिकली वट एवर हैव बीन टॉट हेयर, जो यहाँ पर आपको अभी तक पढ़ाया गया है, रेगुलर बेसिस आपको पता है कि आपकी 5 डेज की एकेडमिक क्लासेस और रेगुलर बेसिस मंडे टू फ्राइडे चल रही हैं. ओके, एंड एवरी सैटरडे यू हैव अ यूनिट टेस्ट.
Yes, sir.
दीज यूनिट टेस्ट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आपको पता है कि भी NDA 1, CDS 1 और अपकैट 1 का तो नोटिफिकेशन भी आ गया है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो आप धीरे धीरे एग्ज़ाम के बहुत नज़दीक हैं.
Yes, sir.
पहला तो सिंसियर एडवाइस ये है कि आप इस टेस्ट को मिस ना करें. एंड वी वांट टू ओपिनियन फ्रॉम योर साइड,
Yes, sir.
हाउ यू हैव बीन डूइंग, कैसे कैसे आपके टेस्ट चल रहे हैं. ठीक है,
Yes,
तो
sir.
यू आर फ्रॉम CDS बैच.
sir.
ओके.
Jai Hind everyone. The weekly test is very useful for the main exams, and every week we are improvement and
You are improving.
yes,
You are from which place?
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can understand everything. All classes are okay.
Okay, sir.
All your general science, general studies, English, mathematics, okay?
General science thoda okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, better just try your best. Okay.
Thank you,
Do
sir.
hard work. Okay, and do better in basically in future test also. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
What about you?
Jai Hind everyone. Like we are having every week exams, and that exams are encouraging and motivating us to study every day, and the level of like we are getting idea of level of question, how for like how to prepare for difficult and how to prepare for easy question. So these questions are like helping us to prepare for the final main exam. So yeah, like every week we are preparing for the exam. Yeah, this is good for our preparation.
Okay, good.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Arpita Chaudhary, and test was good, and it will increasing our timing to how to solve our questions.
Okay, good. Are you regular attending the classes?
Yes,
On
sir.
regular basis?
Yes, sir.
Okay, not absent. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Arnav Kumar. I am an NDA cadet. The preparation are very good, and the tests are also from the the teachers' doubt that only comes from the test.
Hello everyone, Jain. My name is Mohammad Sameer Khan and I am from CDS batch, and the test was good enough, and I have studied from the teachers that come in the exam also, and we are preparing more better for our next test for next Saturday, and the test was good. If you have studied, then your paper was good enough. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Mayank. I am from CDS batch. As the weekly tests are good for our main exams, it is helpful for our revision, and it is good for our revision.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vansh Thakur. I am from Himachal Pradesh, Hamirpur. Currently, I am preparing for NDA examination in DDA Doon Defence Academy. The weekly test is very helpful for our increased timing and accuracy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Man. I am from Uttar Pradesh, and this test is very useful for our, and by giving the test we can focus on the accuracy and the weak points that we can improve ourselves, that which focus areas weak or strong, and by regular practicing we can increase our marks for the final performance. That's all.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Kaap Tripathi. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Gonda. Actually, if we talk about our weekly test, it provides us the accessibility and the accuracy too, and it helps in our potential. Actually, the teachers who provides the information and the knowledge to assess our own potential, skills and the weak areas in the test. Thank you everyone.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Neeraj. Today we have the weekly test. It helps us to increase our efficiency and accuracy for the test. So the teachers are teaching us throughout the week, and at the end we have the test, so that we can see our progress, where we are going and how we can achieve the things. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Akshay Chauhan, and as we all know that every week we are having tests. So through these tests one can get to know about his or her performance, like they can assess their weak points from the test. So yeah, these are beneficial for us.
Okay gentlemen, basically your classes are all going fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is my sincere advice to all, not absent from classes.
Yes,
The classes are there the Monday to Friday on regular basis.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thing is that every Saturday unit test, as you mentioned,
Yes,
your unit test is going well.
Yes, sir.
So tell your other students also and encourage them to attend our unit tests on regular basis. What I'm telling you, whenever your exam will be near, जैसे आपका अभी 31 जैन को अभी एपकैट का एग्ज़ाम है, उसके बाद फिर 12 अप्रैल को NDA CDS का है. जैसे जैसे आप नज़दीक पहुंचेंगे, आपका जब 1 मिनट 1.5 मिनट बचेगा, तो आपके लिए पता है आपको क्या मिलेंगे? मॉक टेस्ट, सेपरेट मॉक टेस्ट, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर विल बी सॉल्व देयर, ओके, एंड ऑफलाइन भी होंगे और ऑनलाइन भी होंगे. अंडरस्टूड? हाँ, तो थिंग इज दैट ये जो रेगुलर बेसिस पे आना है, अपनी रेगुलर पढ़ाई करनी है और मेक योर टाइम टेबल ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, 100% सक्सेस विल बी देयर. ओके, you'll fulfill your dream to wearing the uniform. Okay, gentlemen? Yes, sir. All the best and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.